Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.4% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China imported 11% more crude oil last year versus 2022, at 563.99 million metric tons, equivalent to 11.28 million barrels per day, up from the previous record of 10.81 million barrels per day in 2020, new data showed. Inflationary pressures in the UK are set to ease again this week, though not as quickly as investors are hoping, as they bet on a swift round of interest rate cuts. Oil prices gained to end last week, as some oil tankers diverted course from the Red Sea after strikes by the US and Britain on Houthi targets in Yemen, while US Treasury yields eased on news that US producer prices unexpectedly fell in December.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 1000 hours GMT. Finland's consumer price index at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. The UK's Rightmove house price index at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.